Hi guys, I'm back with a new video where I'm going to tell you how you could debloat your Windows, or probably you could make your Windows operating system much faster than it used to be. Sometimes after the new update of Windows, we got small bugs that makes our window very uh, tidier, very better. Look, we think that, but it won't, and rather it make our Windows much slower. So I would not tell you much about it. I would quickly come to the tutorial how you could do this. Down in the link in the description, I've given you an area that is dbloat Windows 10 master zip. Now you need to extract this. So in this folder, I have given you some files out there. You would find there are many files in it, and in it you would find read me before installing text. Okay, you need to open this text. Over here I have written some steps that you should have to follow before doing this. First, make sure you are at the latest update of the Windows 10. So for that, we will go to settings and update and security, and we'll check the OS info. Here we would find that it is in the latest update available till now. And one more thing you need to check it, that is you need to go to the developers option. Yeah, for developers, and you need to check PowerShell, this one, change exception allow local this, and you need to enable developer mode. Okay, so developer mode, you need to enable this. So after doing this, here's the tutorial for you to begin with. First of all, you need to open the PowerShell, okay, this one, and right click on it just and run as administrator. So once you run it in administrator, yeah, it would open like this. I'm sorry. Okay, now just copy this, sorry, you'll see, yeah, and paste it as it is. So you would find something like this would come up on. Yeah, I'm sorry, you need not have to do this PS. No, you won't do this. You need to just copy these lines. Set, yeah, copy. Okay, it will ask you, and you need to do yes to all. Okay, now next you have to copy this, then paste it as it is. Okay, it will take some time to process. Then you need to copy the third line. Yeah, and you need to wait for this. Actually, it's in processing mode, so yeah, it will take some time. And it's showing like this, and then you have to paste the third line. After all this will go on, because I have already done this, I'm getting this error because I've already done this thing on my system. So after that you need to do this, Control V, paste the third line in it. It will take some time and give you something like this. Since I have already done this, it's giving me some errors, but you won't get it. So after doing all this, okay, you need to restart your computer. Okay, after reinstalling, you need to open this folder, scripts folder, that is in this link in the description I've given you, scripts, and you have to just run with PowerShell. Okay, one by one it would automatically run and do the job for you, one by one. So after doing everything in here, you would find your PC is running extremely faster, extremely better than your performance, and you would probably see the task manager. You would see the CPU percentage usage, it's almost very least. And other than that, before when we would see, when we would compare it of a before CPU usage, you would really probably see the CPU usage is very much low over here after using this patch. And I'm currently building one more patch, that is this. It's my own custom patch that will do automatically all these jobs, but I'm not giving this right now. I want to keep this a secret file. If you love this work of mine, you probably give me a comments below, and I would probably give you this file, but I would really give you a glance that what it would do automatically. See, I just run it and it will do automatically everything for me. I need not have to see, it's full did everything is in automatically. It's just a bad program. I'm not such much a geek like that. I've just made all the programs and made it in a rack, and you could see it's automatically uninstalling my OneDrive and everything. These are the debloat programs that are by default installed because of these shitty updates that Windows gives us. But other than that, by now this operating system is way faster than I have probably seen, and everything is very much faster and very much responsive. So I hope this tutorial of mine would help you a lot, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. I'm working hard for this, and I love you all guys who are supporting me still now. Till then, happy gaming. Goodbye.